The Middle Passage was a part of the process of the Triangle Trade in which millions of people from Africa were shipped to the New World. Ships from Europe headed to Africa markets with manufactured goods, which were traded for purchased or kidnapped Africans, who were then transported across the Atlantic as slaves. The slaves were then sold or traded for raw materials, which would be transported back to Europe to complete the voyage. The voyage consisted of 1 to 6 months, depending on weather conditions. The journey became more efficient over the centuries. Male African Americans that were captives were normally chained together in pairs to save space, right to the next person's left leg, while women and children may have had somewhat more room. The captives were fed beans, corn, yam, rice, and palm oil. Slaves were fed once a day with little water. Sometimes captives were allowed to move around during the day, but many ships kept the shackles on throughout the journey. Many historians estimate between 9.4 and 12 million Africans arrived to the New World, but because of diseases and starvation due to the length of the passage, many of them died. Many of them died from outbreaks such as smallpox, measles, syphilis, and other diseases that spread quickly throughout the journey.